Another sunrise, another sunset.
Hello everyone, welcome to my Philippine vlog. So the first place I went to is Sasaro Museum. Sasaro Museum, known as Cambodian Museum of Academy and Money, and the museum divides into 12 modules which will detail more about the academy and money from each generations. You can also listen and read those information through the touch screen, and when you get there, you will also can see the real money in each module as well. This is the second place I went to. It's called the Galleries. There's a QR code to scan for each art, which will show the price, artist, and the meaning of it. Guys, do you know what? All arts really need every artist to be patient and creative. Some of these arts spend 4 to 6 months to finish it. That's why it has its own value. After that, I went to the Alices and captured some photos. In the evening, I went to visit the flower blossoms at Riverlight on the second floor. Oh, yeah, yeah.